Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.